Greetings, SirPlus here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. As you may have seen from the title or the thumbnail, we're doing Sunday dinner in this video. With a slight twist. In the other videos, I knew exactly what I was doing. In this video, however, I'm kind of winging it. I'm not so sure what I'm actually doing, because this is the first time that I'm ever cooking curry goat or curried mutton, or I guess in some places they call it curried lamb, and I guess in other places they call it mutton curry or goat curry, whichever way you call it. That's what I'm doing today, but it's the first time because I don't normally eat those things. I'm a chicken man, you know what I mean? Chicken every day until I start grow fed up. That are me. But 2022, we are trying different things over here, and you know, I'm trying to diversify the plate for my kids. You know, I can't just turn them into mini meals, even if they are. So today we're gonna try cook curry mutton. Let's see how that goes. Feels good. Oh, if I didn't say it before, let me say it again. This is my first time cooking curried mutton. Yeah, I'm a chicken man. don't really do the other meats them. But I'm trying out something different for 2022. So if I didn't say it before, first time. I'm going off what my brain tells me to do. Alright, so I got the stirring down. Yeah, I'll leave this for about 3 minutes or maybe 7 minutes. I'm gonna leave it for 7 minutes, I think. Yeah, so that it can start, doing its thing. Burning, well, not burning, but searing a little bit. I think that's what they call it. And then it starts, spring it one little water, and then I'll add some water, and then lock it down for the next half hour or so. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. I think this is the right way. Yeah, if you want 5 minutes to go past quickly, yeah man, just wash out the utensils and the plates and stuff and cutlery that you were using and you're not going to use. Awesome. And before you know it, down. Clean again. And just in time, because here my pot a ball. Here my pot a ball over here, so like some things are burn up in there, but you know what I mean? I'm not worried. I'll go for the spoon. See it there? All stirred. I tell you something, I'm not worried, man. Now burn and see how some nice little gravy there farm. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So things that I am observing and learning about this cooking today. No, I always hear them say rank like ram goat. Come like I want to ram this. People, they smell you. I saw a curried goat normally smell. Rank. Yeah, you can tell that I'm a novice to this. If me observe smell, yeah. They come like I want to ram this, brother. Anyways, so I want to go to it. I want to pressure. Alright, I'm gonna try to do it properly and not with one hand. So, alright, so it's properly on. I'm not really play with pressure cooker, you know what I mean? So I have to make sure it's set on properly, because yeah, pressure cooker kind of old still, but yeah, I have to make sure it's set on properly, because yeah, that would have been a different type of video today if everything gone up in the roof, Alright, so I'll go turn up the heat on this a bit and let it do its thing. I'll go stay far, from it while I do it thing.
Thousands of TikToks later.
Alright, so we end up go up on TikTok and last for about 10 minutes. So this probably gone over time. Ah boy. Anyways, I'll take it off. Alright, so I ran some water over it and make it cool down a little bit. So I could say, afraid. No water in that pot. Alright. I know TikTok sometime, you see, man. Remember last a while ago. I'm going with this right now, woman. It's not so bad. I think it never worse. Look, I come out the right time, man. Any further on this bone, like, oi, meat looks soft, though. Alright, next phase. Alright, so as I said in the beginning, I have no real idea what I'm doing. I'm just going off what my brain tells me. And what, since I'm a foodie, you know what I mean, this is what my brain tells me, and my gut tells me whether I make it taste good. So I'm going to do some other little water to it, and I'm going to make it simmer down. Simmer down! Need to add that song in another video. I call Bob Marley birthday. Might get a copyright warning though. You know, you can tell me in the comments, you know how badly I went, off track. How badly I went off track, because now my mind I want to pressure it, because I don't like when I, have my dinner and them big old bone, with them for. That's why I don't really eat mutton and oxtail and them something, like with them big old tough bone for. You know what I mean? Stick with my chicken now, but I try something different, today. So I'm really there to try to see if I could have pressure and get them bone soft, But I look like that for pressure for 2 days, Yeah, that's what I was aiming to do. Pressure until the bone can get chewable or soft. Tell me how wrong I am, if that is even possible at all, in the comment section. Alright, so I'm going to make this go and simmer down, as I said. I'll get another ingredient to go in here. In the meantime, I'm going to start up my rice pot. So while the meat has simmered down, I'll start up the rice. I love parboiled rice. Well, my kids and I love parboiled rice. My wife doesn't. I don't know what parboiled rice do. If you're watching this, honey, tell me what you do. Why you not like it? Alright, so as you can see, the rice is kind of too little. So I guess this is a compromise, because my parboiled rice done. So I'm going to add in some regular rice. Alright, that look like. Alright, yeah. That look like it can last
and I can get a Sunday, Monday, or maybe a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What do you think? Alright, so while I'm over the chat, over the rice, yeah, my pot boil out again. That's it. Oh, how much time you gonna burn me up? So, I gotta add this ingredient. Maybe I will not do that. Maybe the sucker spoil it. I don't. I feel like more this night. I always put it in my chicken foot. Now I do the same thing. Still tastes fresh though. Anyways, this will make up enough salt. So even if that tastes fresh, it's supposed to balance out. Everybody knows how to cook rice already, so I don't need to figure that part out. Well, so something different that you probably have never tried. This is curry goat. So no, it's not curry chicken. So watch out for the bones. There are big bones in there. Just eat the meat off the bones. Don't ask me why we eat stuff like that with the big bones in it, but yeah, that's why.
This one right here?
Yeah, you're supposed to eat the meat off the bones. Alright, so bon appetit. Oh, don't watch the eyes. I took a nap. Well, a nap is a short sleep. It wasn't short, it was very long. So probably it wasn't a nap. Anyways, that's not what this is about. So my curry goat, the meat is literally falling off the bones, and I like that. It is soft and savory. I like that. Bones. That's why I don't like. That's why I stick to chicken like this. All these big tough bones. I don't like curry goat and oxtail, and I tolerate turkey neck, chicken foot. So they pressure those down, you can actually really crunch into the bones. So it's not so bad. But these tough bones, sometimes you don't see the bones, you know. You don't see the bones until late. So anyways, I will not be standing and eating. My dad always said animals stand and eat. So I'm going to take a seat and enjoy my meal. So thank you again for hanging around with me while I cook Sunday dinner. So this has been Sunday Dinner with SirPlus. Thank you so much. I wish I could have given you some.
No,
So, how is it?
Good. Very good.
Just very good. What do you like about it? Do you like anything about it? Oh, you're
tastes like
watching your sister's food.
Yes, I am.
So
Yes, I am.
his sister has eaten most of it. So yeah. Come now, tell me something about it. Yeah, like what you. Does it taste like anything you have eaten before?
What did I just tell you?
I don't know.
I literally said it tastes like curried chicken.
Okay, alright. So which one you like better, curry chicken or curry goat?
I'm gonna have to stick with curried chicken.
Why?
Because sometimes when you're picking up foods, in your spoon it can crack, and it can crack it. I'm more detached. I don't know the word. How much you basically come off the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing I pretty much hate about it.
Oh, you can't detach the meat from the bone.
No, well,
Oh, you can?
I know I can't. I'm gonna try to pick up on the meat, and sometimes it's so soft that it just and then it breaks.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the one thing I hate about this.
Alright.
And of course, curry chicken does not do that. Well, unless you.
So, yeah. How was the curry goat?
Not my honest,
I always want your honest opinion. I don't care if it's brutal and I feel like a worthless chef, because this is the first time ever that I'm cooking curry goat.
Okay, so when I thought about it, I thought it was good. I thought it was really good. But I felt, after I ate it, I felt like I had gained 1,926 pounds.
Wow.
Like, there were probably a lot of calories in the dish. And so, but it was really good. If you don't care about your weight, it was really good.
Okay. Chunky. Any other words on the dinner?
Sauce.
My dinner was sauce. Alright.
It's a shame that you're laughing. That was not funny. Okay, fine. Your dinner was not sauce, but it was suspicious.
Alright.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.